Ever heard the saying, curiosity killed the cat? Well, on the internet, curiosity can lead you to some pretty amazing discoveries. Maybe you stumbled upon a friend raving about a new crypto project, or perhaps you saw a catchy ad about building your future with Newton Coin. Whatever the reason, here you are, wondering, is Newton Crypto a good investment? Hold your horses, because before you dive headfirst into the world of Newton Coin, let's take a step back and understand what you're getting yourself into. The crypto market is a wild ride, filled with potential for massive gains, but also riddled with risks that can leave you with nothing but regret. So, buckle up, because in this video, we're going to dissect Newton Crypto, analyze its potential, and ultimately, help you decide if it deserves a spot in your hard-earned portfolio. First things first, let's get acquainted with Newton Crypto. In a nutshell, it's a cryptocurrency built on its own blockchain, aiming to be a platform for decentralized applications, dApps. Think of it as a digital ecosystem where users can interact with various applications without relying on a central authority. Now, this concept isn't exactly groundbreaking. Several other blockchains already boast similar functionalities. So, what makes Newton Crypto stand out? Here's where things get interesting. The Newton project emphasizes security, scalability, and affordability. They claim their blockchain architecture is designed to handle a high volume of transactions without compromising security. They also talk about keeping transaction fees low, making it accessible to a broader audience. Sounds promising, right? Well, that's the pitch, but here's where we need to get critical. Remember, the crypto space is full of promises. What truly matters is how well Newton delivers on its claims. Here's what we recommend: do your own research. Don't just rely on what the Newton website or a random internet ad tells you. Dig deeper. Look for independent reviews from reputable sources. Check out the team behind Newton Crypto. See if they have a proven track record in the blockchain industry. Most importantly, understand the white paper. That's the technical document outlining the project's goals and functionalities. If it's all smoke and mirrors, you will probably be able to tell. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the current state of the crypto market. It's no secret things have been rough lately. Coin values have plummeted, and investor confidence is shaky. So, is this the right time to invest in Newton Crypto, or should you wait for the dust to settle? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you're a seasoned investor with a high tolerance for risk, then a calculated investment in Newton Crypto could potentially pay off in the long run. However, if you're new to the crypto game, or if your risk appetite is low, then it might be best to sit on the sidelines for a while. Remember, the crypto market is known for its volatility. What goes up can come crashing down just as quickly. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and never put all your eggs in one basket. Here's an additional thought: Newton Crypto is a relatively new project. While that carries the potential for high growth, it also means there's a higher degree of uncertainty. Established players in the blockchain space have a proven track record, and their coins tend to be more stable. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to invest in Newton Crypto is yours. We've armed you with the information you need to make an informed choice. Remember, do your research, understand the risks, and never invest based on hype alone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.